Okay, much happier now. So, love the Holden logo. That little thing will go. Thank you for that, me. Okay, a Fisher and Paykel Giltrap group. So if you know anything about Giltrap group, they sponsor half of our young drivers through pretty much from go-karts right through. So Johnny Reid, Shane Van Gisbergen, who else? Can't think of the other guy's name. Lots of them. Anyway, they all go through. They all get sponsored by Giltrap Group, and yeah, it's a good way for the Kiwi drivers to progress. Webs for sale. What else we got in here? They got far less in here than they had last year. Bugatti. Look at that. Like, damn. Isn't that just spectacular? Damn. It is so long in the nose. Not much ear. Look at that. Let's get around the other side.